is.
साले टप्पल आ रहा।
And we get to see.
ठीक है ना? सही है।
Okay. Okay. Cheers.
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 Cheers. Swadish. Guys, welcome back to our channel. So we know that it's been a long time and we really apologize for this. We have been really busy. This guy got a new job. This guy got a new job. I got a new job. So it's tough for us. Yeah, I'm not talking about him. He's at the same job.
Same job.
5 years. That man is stuck. He's not going anywhere. So okay. So yeah, we really apologize for this, and we would continue making more videos. Certain things are going to change because he's moving out. He's moving out. They're moving to a different city, and we'll change the format of the video concept a bit, and we'll see how it works out. And that's about it, I guess. So today's discussion, today's video is about students who are coming to Canada right now, and what are the conditions that are going on, what are the rules and regulations that you need to follow, because it's pandemic, dude. Everybody knows the whole world is fucked up right now. I didn't have a job for 4 months, bro. Trudeau saved us. Yeah, five
That's why I'm not
months.
changing the job right now.
Yeah.
My field is completely shut.
Even though like we were chilling on Trudeau's money, like he was giving us $2,000 a month, man. That guy rocks. Okay.
People
Yeah.
call him that.
Yeah. He was giving us $2,000 a month, and we were smoking it all away. And this guy was still going to his job.
Essential employee.
Essential employee.
But nothing from the government type of.
Yeah, that's good. I didn't know that. Okay, yeah. So today's discussion is basically because it's not gonna be a long video as such.
Yeah.
Because the specifications of the video are very niche. We are just going to talk about the conditions that are in Canada right now. What is happening around Canada if you're immigrating over here, if you're coming here on study permit, especially on study permit, because conditions for study permit have changed a lot. So we have our friends who are in college right now, and they came in
November.
January intake. right?
January.
January.
Their
Yeah,
intake was
came in November
right?
and it's a January. intake.
Yeah, they came in November, December. So when they came in, Corona was not there.
Yeah.
It was not there as such.
As such.
Even people was not talking about it.
Yeah, nobody was talking about it as such. Yeah, we didn't know, bro. I guess I got to know about the pandemic when I quit the job. So we quit the job, and then the pandemic happened, and we were free. But yeah, till February. You want to say that?
No, it was just a small PJ like that. The only Corona which we knew at that time, that was Corona beer. I already told you.
Why am I asking?
I already told you it's a PJ.
That was not even a PJ.
Yeah.
Gee.
That's why.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, nobody was talking about it. We didn't know how big the situation is gonna get. Like whether we will sit free for that long, we'll be wearing masks everywhere. Nobody. So yeah, coming back to the point. So we have friends right now who are in college. So they came in December intake. Okay, so a lot of people who came in December intake are facing the same situation. What happened is they started off their college. It was normal. So half of the first semester was done, and then Corona hit you hard, and they have been getting their online classes. So as of now, all the students who are living in Canada till 31st of August, they are allowed to work full time.
Yes.
So even though they have online classes, but they can work 40 hours, 50 hours, whatever they want to. There is no limit as such till 31st of August.
So,
After that,
yeah.
we don't know what's gonna happen. So if new rule
But
comes-
not all the students. I think the students only work in essential services. They are allowed to work
Yes.
40 hours.
Yeah, of course. Like the working is essential, but yeah, all the students are allowed to.
Yeah, if they are working in
Yeah,
essential
yeah.
services,
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
are working
they're
for a
working for
normal
an essential
company,
service.
that's not allowed.
Of course. But yeah, all the students are allowed, and for essential services.
And only essential works open actually.
Yeah, like
No, now everything
No,
is
no,
open.
no.
Yeah, everything
Now
is
it's
open.
phase
It's
three.
limited capacity.
yeah, but
it's phase 3
still
now,
it
so
was till
everything is open.
31st of August, so it's gonna change. We don't know what's gonna happen. But as of now, till 31st of August, you can work full time if you are a student. If you were concerned about it, and by any mistake you saw our video, if you did, so this is the point that yeah, you can work. And as such, they are not getting their classes back till I guess next year. They are still having online classes. So Ritiman Shivali's course right now is a technical course.
Okay.
You need labs for that, right? And you need continuous support. They are still paying the same fee. okay,
Mhm.
which a normal student pays when they go to a school, but they are not able to attend any labs. They're
Yeah.
sitting at home. It's all virtual. I get that. I respect that colleges or schools are trying to get people educated even during this time, but I don't think so it's fair for the students to pay the same amount for the courses that actually require labs or you need physical presence.
Yes.
Like some art courses,
Yes.
graphic design, right? They need to see a live model. Like I have the girl working with me right now at the mobile shop. She's a graphic designer too, and she was like, you cannot be an art student, like specifically in her field, without being in the lab or without being in the art gallery or
Art
whatever
gallery,
it is. I don't
Obviously,
know, I'm
they have-
sorry.
they have
But
to
yeah,
be
you have to
physically.
be present physically to learn that art, right? And people are paying, so Ritima and Shivali are paying the same fee
Yes.
that we did, right? But we attended the classes, we got to take the labs. We didn't attend the classes, but still, we were given an option that yeah, you can attend the classes. We chose not to, but still, that was the option, right? They don't have the right. They are sitting at home, they are attending the classes online, and that is a little fucked up for me. I don't think so. Either they should get any rebate from college or from the government. I don't know what's gonna happen, but they should be refunded some amount. Like all the students right now, they feel the same pain. Right?
Yeah.
The only benefit is they can work for 40 hours, but everybody's not getting a job in this COVID.
Yes.
The situation is not right. So that is our only point. So I think if somebody is watching the video, please talk to your management, talk to your colleges, talk to your professor, right? They can give you a suggestion whether
Yeah.
something could be done out of it or not.
Yeah, be open to them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have to discuss, otherwise what's gonna happen? You don't know anything.
You know,
Yeah.
they still have a technical course, but people who have who are in the culinary program or who are doing the baking course,
Baking courses, yeah.
just imagine what's happening with them.
Of course, man.
Like if what I
ये
said.
होटल वाला होटल की बात है कह रहा देखो हमारी बात नहीं रखी जा रही yeah of course
The
you
thing
have
is-
to learn cooking yeah
The thing is like yeah, if they want to educate students, right? So the work is open, right? They are allowing students to work for 40 hours.
yeah
Why can't they allow students to go to the college? and
yeah
do
you can
studies?
perform social distancing in
Yes.
classes too right
Yeah.
you can have many batches of classes I know it's gonna be tough but everything is tough right now
I'm not
right
sure about that, but probably from September intake, some colleges gonna open some technical labs.
Yeah,
Schools
see-
are going to get
see,
open.
No, schools are also, some colleges are going to
So-
open their technical labs only, only technical
That's
labs.
the thing that is not sure, right? We can only talk about the things that are sure right now. As of the moment, at the moment that we are recording this video, what is the time? 11:30 p.m. and 28th of August, I guess.
But schools are going to be
yeah.
definitely
So
open.
we don't know as of the moment that they are opening up or not. Schools are sure. We read
Schools
the
are sure,
article. Schools are opening up with social distancing. US opened up the schools last month, I guess, man. US is going crazy, bro. Canada is far safer. Even though I wanted to move to US, my suggestion is come to Canada. US is not safe anymore. Trump है बड़े चुतिया.
They never close actually.
Yeah, they never.
US
closed.
never closed.
Schools were
No,
closed.
schools were
Schools were
closed.
closed.
Schools were closed.
But they're-
Closed.
Like half of the businesses they didn't close.
There is a no lockdown basically.
That's a separate video. US they chutiyap, it's a separate video.
Anti-maskers and
Anti-mask rallies, bro. Like
Talk
yesterday.
all day on US, man.
Like, if you, I'll give you an
Like, even though
example.
I got yeah.
I'll give you an example. If you go to Niagara Falls, if you get the ferry from our side, there's all social distancing, only few people. But if you see the ferry from the US side, it's
Oh.
completely full of the people.
yes, in Canada side, I think only
Six or seven
eight.
people, 8 people allowed, or in US side is completely overloaded with the people.
Oh.
Nowadays also.
Shit, I didn't know that. I didn't go to Niagara Falls. That guy, this guy fucks, man. He dates a lot of chicks. I don't know how. he goes to Niagara Falls like every week. Yeah, but,
Not every week.
So, but yeah, so from this example we can judge. अभी US के बारे में हम बात कर ही नहीं सकते. It's a whole issue. It's a whole issue. Different world. Because I just saw a disturbing news yesterday. वो बहुत ही गलत है मतलब वो तो डिस्कस अभी क्या ही करनी वो शूटिंग वगैरह का पता लगा तुम्हें यूएस का
Yes, yes, it's really bad.
too much man too much we cannot discuss it right now I don't think so that we have the place or we have the right to discuss that
Discuss
right
that
now
kind of
but
thing.
I think it's wrong US is fucked up levels but yeah coming back to the point
Yes.
if we come back so we have already discussed the students who are living here right now so as of now they will get their classes back hopefully by September,
It's just a-
and they'll go back to college and they'll attend their classes regularly. So that is done with them. They should talk to their professors just to get some insight and just to change something if they can. But nothing could be done from our side. Nothing else could be shared about it. So the second situation I would like to discuss is the students who have started their courses during this pandemic. So May intake happened, right? So January intake, Shivali Ritima came in. That's done. So all the students in January intake, they are already here.
Yeah.
People coming in May intake, they did take admissions, right? And a lot of them came in, a lot of them didn't. Okay, so we don't know the exact number. We don't have any surveys about it. But we know half of the people came, maybe like not half, some of the people came, some couldn't make it. Now the people who couldn't make it, they are still in India.
Yeah.
They have the admission, their courses have started online, they are attending their classes, right? Now there are certain rules and regulations that we just read the article about, and we can put a screenshot. I'll put a screenshot over there too for the article, so you can actually get it, and I'll paste the link in the description as well, so you can just go onto the article and read the conditions properly. So according to that article, as of now, the students who are living in India, whose study permit was issued before
March 18.
March 18. So March 18 is the date. If your study permit was issued before March 18, okay, there's a big difference. So you can actually have a 1 year, if you have a 1 year course and your study permit was before March, you can do that course back home and still you will get your 1 year work permit. And now the difference is, on student permit, Canada is not allowing anybody to enter Canada unless and until the conditions were.
Yeah, conditions basically it's gonna be a necessary something like you have a course that needed labs in Canada,
Okay.
and where you live, there is no bandwidth to attend your live classes, or there's the issue of the time zone because you're not able to attend the classes. So like basically you need to prove the border services your entry in the Canada is essential. You're not able to study from India.
Otherwise they'll throw you out.
Yeah, otherwise
they
deny,
throw
they
them
they
back.
deny some of the students few days
Some
before.
of the students were denied. We just read an article.
And one more thing, because see, I work in a hotel, so I get lots of calls because I work at night, and that time in India it's day.
Yeah, of course.
I get
student call
lots
you
of
up.
calls, and they're saying we want to book the hotel, and they book. But the thing is, at the time of check-in, they're not here. Why?
Yeah.
Because they're not able to enter.
Because they have to show the booking. So as we discussed, the border services can actually deny you. So the rules discussed is either your course need to be an essential course,
yeah.
right? So you can enter. So we don't know the exact definition of essential courses as of now. On the website it states that you can check with your college whether your course falls into essential category or not. So you can read about that, and then you can see whether you want to come or not. Second is that if your internet back home, like if your country doesn't provide proper
Provide that
internet,
good
like,
bandwidth, right?
so
Yeah.
it happens in some of the Asian countries, some of the African countries, like they don't have proper internet. Like maybe you're rich back home, but still your area does not provide you internet, like good internet, that you can actually watch an online class, be in a Zoom meeting, because Zoom
So
is
many
actually
rural places are like
so
there.
many rural places, like somebody can be a rich villager in Punjab, right?
Yeah,
Still
because-
does not have access to the best internet, and
Yeah,
they cannot attend
that's
the
basically a
classes,
problem.
right?
Yeah.
They can actually, they have to show the proof.
Letter
right?
of explanation,
Yes.
complete letter of explanation they needed.
Yeah,
you have
so
to prove
maybe
them
you
that,
have
yeah.
to maybe you have to get a like signed letter from your area's internet provider or something that yeah, we cannot provide internet, but that is one of the conditions that you need to prove that your internet back home sucks. Only then you can move over here, okay? And the third condition is time zone, where Indians can nail it actually.
Yeah.
Okay, the third condition is actually really good. Now this is a loophole. If you can crack it, if you can make your case, you'll be in Canada. Because the third condition, I guess the best loophole is, the condition is the time zone difference.
Yeah, time
if
zone
it is
difference.
way too much, you cannot attend the classes, yeah, you can do. Man,
14
India
hours
and
to-
Canada's difference is 10.5 hours.
Yeah.
And that's a
Like
bit problem.
from
No, it
Toronto.
depends on the basically if you're
Yeah,
Toronto, it's
yeah,
10.5
it depends on city because we have 4 time zones.
Yes,
it's
yeah.
fucked up. It's a big country.
One
Yeah.
country, 4 times.
4 time zones, man. It's too much. But I guess it's more than 4. I don't know. But,
If you go to Russia, more than 6.
Yeah. So
Russia is
रशिया कहाँ से आ गया?
I'm
इतने
just
टाइम
saying, I'm just
बात
saying
कर
it.
रहे हैं। रशिया बड़ा पता है कितना डूबता नहीं, वो मारा खत्म नहीं होता। हाँ सच्ची है ऐसे
मैं
किसी।
इसको बोल रहा हूँ कहाँ जा रहा
हाँ,
है?
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। So the biggest loophole is the time zone thing. Okay, and you can actually prove the case because India and Canada's time zone is actually massive, right? You can prove that yeah, your classes are at 3, some classes are in afternoon, right? At that time in India it's early morning. Nobody wants to attend that class.
Yeah, so
right?
here I want to put one here I want
Yeah,
to,
so like it's gonna be tough for a student. You can actually prove that hey man, the time zone doesn't fit. Can we actually come to Canada and attend those classes online in Canada, right?
This should be the
Yes.
first point actually.
Yeah, but here I want to add one point. This all things are possible only for the students who got their visas before 18 March.
Yeah, this-
If you got your
that's why
visa
we-
after 18 March, this
The conditions are
not for
different.
you.
We are going to discuss that. That's why we are discussing only before 18 March. That's
These
why I said
exemptions are not for you.
that date is important. So all these exemptions are only for the people who have already applied for their study permit before 18th of March 2020.
18 मार्च के बाद वाले बच्चों
हाँ।
बैठो इंडिया
मतलब हाँ 18 मार्च के बाद जिन्होंने स्टडी परमिट अप्लाई करा था, इट्स अबाउट द एप्लीकेशन डेट, इट्स नॉट अबाउट द डेट इट वाज इशूड और it is
No, it's the date issued.
issue date. Okay, so issue date should be 18 March and before.
And before,
Okay.
yeah.
Nothing
Date of
after it. So these are the conditions. But I think if you have a course and you are still in India, because still the same condition that we discussed about our friends who are living here and paying the same fee, it is more unfair. It is far more unfair for the people who are living back home. Okay, I don't know the percentage, but most of the people who apply for a study permit in Canada, their goal is Canada जाना.
पैसे कमाना
पैसे कमाना.
Their goal is not that कि हाँ मैं best education करनी. Yeah, I know. Of course, education करनी है. किसी की education नहीं है. That's important too. But most of the people, their goal is to come to Canada to earn some money, right? And their only way is coming through study permit. That's why they apply for courses. Now, if those students, just in the hope that they might get a work permit, they are paying the same fee like Ritima and Shivali, like students over here, sitting over here. First of all, international students' fees is way too much as compared to citizen. We have discussed.
four times
Yeah,
more.
we have
times,
discussed it so many times. So, a person who's sitting in India paying 4 times the fee of a citizen over here, and still they cannot come to this country. The only reason they got into the study for, right? It's very unfair, and I think you should be careful what courses are you selecting, because the next condition that we are going to discuss, it's far more fucked up. Okay, it's far more fucked up. So according to this, after 18th of March, once that's done, people who have applied for their courses, their conditions totally change. Now it depends upon the course that you choose.
Yeah, you choose. Yeah.
Right? So if you chose a 1-year course that everybody actually says, hey, don't do that, right? You don't get enough time on your work permit, because if you do a 1-year study permit,
It's gonna be
you
1 year
only-
work permit.
yes,
Yeah.
you only get a 1-year work permit. And it's tough for you to get a PR on a 1-year work permit, and extending your work permit is tough as well.
Yeah, it's really tough.
So everybody actually goes away from the 1-year study course, but right now it's actually far more lucrative as compared to 2-year study
2-year courses, yeah.
Because Canadian government, I don't know why they did that. Maybe they did some marijuana before making this rule. But what they did is right now, if you have a 1-year study permit, okay, and 1-year study permit with 1-year course, if you do that 100% online back home, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's after 18th of March. It should be finished.
If you're joining your finishing is with the 2-year.
Yeah.
But if you have
Joining
one
before
joining date is
September.
between May to September.
Yeah. So it's from May to September. So after 18 March, people who are coming for May intake
Or September.
or for September intake. Now this is a different rule. It's specific
Oh.
classification. I know. We just read the articles, man. It's tough.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a lot of information.
So after 18th of March, that's done. 18 March चुतिया खत्म.
वो खत्म हो गया.
अब जो बच्चों ने जो अभी कंडीशन चल रही है, this is August right now. So people who applied for May intake after 18th of March, or people who applied for September intake, those people, if those people come on a 1-year study permit and a 1-year course, right, and they do it online back home, they will get a 1-year
1-year work permit.
Okay, they will get it. They will get 1-year work permit, and on their work permit, they can come to Canada. Coming on a work permit is allowed. Okay, coming on a study permit is not allowed unless those conditions are filled up that we discussed. But coming here on work permit is allowed if you get a 1-year work permit. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's 1 year, 1 work permit. May September. Then that's discussed. We are so sorry. But second is the normal post-graduation courses or undergraduation courses that most of the people choose are 2 year
2 years,
courses,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
Like we did. And those courses, they are fucked up right now. Why? Because if you do 2 years course, you can do 50%, that means 1 year,
1 year.
of your study in India or in Pakistan, whichever country you are in.
Yeah.
You can complete 50% of that study permit in your own country, but the rest 50% should be in Canada.
Canada.
Otherwise, you won't get the 3 year work permit that you get after
Sure.
completing a 2 year study.
So,
So on the 2 year study course, if we talk about that, most of us take, and we come to Canada on that course, and it's a lifeline for everybody.
Yes,
Now that
more
course,
from
if
that.
you took it between May and September, as we discussed, 2020, if your God is helping you, your course will be completed, half of it, like 50% of it, should be completed by April of 2022, and by then the pandemic should have been lifted.
April of 2021, not
Sorry,
2020.
2021. मैं दारू पिला के ना उठाया
Pandemic चल गया,
कितनी बार गया है
If the
उसमें
pandemic
पिछली वीडियो में सोशल इंडेक्स
Yeah,
नंबर लगा हुआ था तो या सो
before the 2021,
before
April 2021.
April 2021 ठीक है, उससे पहले अगर तुम्हारा एक साल like 50% of your 2 year course is done, okay, and then the pandemic is not as big, then they will allow you to come to Canada. Right, and complete rest of your education over here. But by any chance, if the pandemic is continuing, right, you have already paid the fee, right, you will complete your 2 year education, but you will get your degree back home, man. They will just send you a degree.
Virtual convocation.
Virtual convocation.
yeah.
Yeah, they invited us for a virtual convocation, so we were
And
supposed
they
to
were
go
asking
there.
for fees as well.
Yeah, they were asking $50 to come to a virtual convocation. Fuck
Why?
you, Lambton.
Why?
बहुत फुद्दू।
Did you take a degree?
ओए नहीं।
You already get your degree,
No,
bro.
man.
The document and other thing is already there.
Yeah, so it's all
Yeah,
So
they
on the
give you-
convocation they give you empty paper,
Oh shit.
rolled in a ribbon. Trust me.
You attended, I guess.
Yes, I attended. That's why I know.
Oh man.
They give you-
He attended his convocation in a basketball arena, bro. A fucking arena. Everybody built up.
And they like roll.
And it
the
was for
paper.
Lambton College. It was not even the York
And you know
University.
what's written inside that paper? Please return your gown and everything after finishing the convocation.
To be honest, I didn't went for all the 3 courses.
That's
so-
reality,
Did they
bro.
charge you?
ब्याज खाएंगे 50 के ऊपर मान
Maybe.
लो। Okay, so coming back to the point, 2 year के कोर्स के हमने बता दिया कि
Yes.
एक साल तुम कर सकते हो इंडिया
India
में,
में।
दूसरा साल you have to be in Canada, otherwise you won't get your 3 year work permit.
Yeah,
Okay.
but here I want to add something. Maybe this situation change because if
Yeah,
government
so-
see that situation basically.
So
but right now this
that's
is
why,
a
today.
that's why
That's why
I
it's
have
from
stated
today.
it again and again, and I don't want to repeat myself too many times.
Yeah.
But yes, it is only because of the articles that we have read until today. So we don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow morning, 29th of August. That's already happened, I guess. So if something changes, we'll try to update you, and you should keep on checking your news as well. Just go to what's the website for?
basically it's Canada.ca.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Any
just go-
information need you go to Canada.ca.
Yeah, just start going to Canada.ca, and you can just check it out. Just read some articles if you want to know
I
about
think-
it. And yeah,
Yeah, IRCC as well, you can go to.
No,
Hey,
basically IRCC
Yeah,
is
but
good,
it
but
is-
when you like looking for a restrictions or travel restriction, IRCC also redirect you to Canada.ca. So basically Canada.ca is the only website that have all the information.
They might give you information, but then they will directly
redirect to you to
redirect to the
Canada.ca.
Canada.ca.
see, you are my tech guys. I don't know shit about it. They get me the articles, I just read the articles, and then I speak shit. So I don't know IRCC or Canada.ca. But yeah, if you want to, I've already added our names in description like always. But you don't follow us. I haven't got any new followers. We're done. We have told you. So please, whoever is coming over here, whoever is thinking of joining any study courses in Canada online. So this is the scenario as of now. Choose 1 year course, you will get a 1 year work permit for sure, but you should be careful about this thing, that if you're choosing that 1 year course, that once you come over here you will get your PR. Okay, if you have enough points from India,
Yes.
like your career graph is impressive, and you feel like, yeah, 1 year work permit is enough for me, I'll get my PR as soon as I'm done with my studies, then you can take that. Otherwise, it's a
Yeah.
big
Right,
risk.
right.
Okay, so yeah, just choose carefully.
Yeah, or choose the province like which can get you.
Yeah, just go to
Yeah.
a smaller province
Like
like
Manitoba.
Manitoba, yeah.
Nova
Go to
Scotia.
Winnipeg over there, you get
Nova
PR
Scotia,
easily, Nova
Halifax, you can say
Scotia,
that.
There's so many,
Newfoundland.
like, provincial
so many
nominations
smaller
programs.
provinces. You can move to
Yeah.
any smaller province. Like, don't move, just come to a smaller province.
Do a good
Yeah.
research and then.
And then it's gonna be fine for you. But as of now, we would just like to suggest you that you should follow everything properly, check everything up, and only then try to come over here. Otherwise, it's a wastage of money, man.
Yeah,
$10,000
trust me,
a
they're gonna
semester,
send you back from
sitting
there.
back home, मम्मी पे पिछो गाला कटन दी है ताड़ी क्या नहीं पीती पक्का चला ला ये है, वो
Especially in online classes. If you
Yeah,
have to shout.
man. You have an online class, तू प्रोफेसर के साथ बातें कर रहा है, पीछे से हम पत्ता चाह पी ला, मार ले जीता गाला man.
Even like in Lambton, if you're doing the online classes, only teacher have a video, and
Okay.
students just have like text messaging system.
Oh.
So then the teacher not gonna see you. What are you guys are going to do?
Oh, so I could be in my bathrobe having
Yes,
a wine
yes,
glass
yes,
and
sure,
attend
sure.
my classes. Oh man, that's cool. But I'm done with my studies, man.
Even
So okay, so the last point of our discussion about students should be the students who are yet to apply for any type of study permit or any study courses that they want to take. So that is a different class because rules are changing every day, and we are going to get a new update because fourth phase is opening up from 31st
Yeah, fourth
of
phase
August,
is opening
right?
from 31st
So
of
once 31st of August passes, we will get new set of rules. We can actually discuss the rules with you. But as of now, these are the same rules till September and take 1 year, 2 year course as we discussed.
But here's some I want to discuss. Maybe there's gonna be a bad scenario. They're not gonna open the fourth phase from the September, and they're gonna maybe going back to a second phase.
Yes.
Because the cases are rising again.
That
The wave
that
is
could
coming.
happen.
Huh?
The second wave, they are
Second
saying the
wave
second
could
wave is
happen.
coming, and they are planning to go back to phase 2.
So please
Gyms
we
will be
request
closed?
everybody who
Maybe.
has seen the video.
And maybe gym's also
till
gonna
now.
be closed for Puma.
Yeah, gym should be closed, man.
No.
I went to gym after 7 months. I go the first day. Second day, my gym emails me. Oh,
Okay.
bro, there was a corona patient in the gym. We are closing the gym down for 3 days. I'm like, fuck it, bro. I'm like, fuck it.
And he's
man.
asking what time basically.
Yeah, so I emailed them. Okay, what they emailed me was, okay, that corona guy came into the like that location
Uh-huh.
from Monday 6 to 9, Tuesday 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Thursday, I'm like, dude, give
No,
me
he
a
was an
specific.
employee.
Sorry,
The guy was an employee.
We didn't know. Like the email stated, it was a member. Okay,
Yeah, it
they
says a
stated
member, basically.
it's a member. So I didn't know that whether it was a member or an employee. But the timing they wrote was like a 10-hour window, 8-hour window, 6-hour
Yeah.
window for 4 days. And I was like, I went on the last day. We went
Yeah,
on
we
the
went
last
on,
day.
I think we went on 10th.
Yeah, whatever the date was. So I emailed them, hey, hi, everything is good, but please tell me what is the specific timing. Because I was there from 12 to 1, right? We are only allowed to have 1 hour
1 hour,
workout,
yes.
right?
Yeah, we have to
So
go
we
one
were there
after
from
one,
12 to 1 and we went off, right? But if that patient was there from 12 to 1, man, I'm fucked up. I have to get the nose thing. I don't want to do that. So, but yeah, it's tough. So, last point. We would like to continue. The last point is, if you are planning to study right now, please check the
List.
Canada.ca.
Canada.ca website. Go to IRCCC. Talk to your college first as well. Because see, we are not getting any vaccine any sooner. We don't know if the... Always think of the worst. That's my mentality.
Yeah.
Think of the worst and then perform accordingly.
Yes.
Okay? So don't be like, hey man, this could never happen. That could happen, bro. Even though 1% chance is there, like the whole world could end by 2021. We don't know. So just try to prepare yourself for everything and then take your admissions, okay? Because for me, if I was in India right now, I would not apply.
Me too. Me too.
I would not waste my money, like $10,000 a semester, by knowing that there's a 50% probability that I won't come to Canada,
I
right?
don't think so when it is 50%.
Yeah, it's less than that, but still, even though if the odds were 50-50,
Yeah.
I would not prefer it right now because it's a lot of money. And if your aim is just to get the education,
Then you can.
then it's great.
Then it's
Then
great.
it's perfectly fine. Of course, you're gonna get amazing faculty member if your college is good, if your school is good. If your school sucks, yeah, you suck too. But if your college is good and your aim is just to get your studies and just get the best education
Best
possible,
education, yeah.
right? Then it's actually a nice thing to do. You can have your education, you can sit at home and still get your education done, because nothing is happening in the world right now. Even in India, even in Pakistan, everybody is in their homes right now. Okay, it's the condition is not good. You cannot go to colleges over there as of now. So it's better if you study in a better institute with better faculty at the comfort of your home. So, but if that's not the case, I don't think so. You should waste your money. That's my suggestion. I rest my case to you, my lord.
Just drop you all the plans. If
Yeah,
you just want
I
to come
mean,
to Canada, just drop you
yeah,
all the plans.
drop your plans until something clears up. Either a vaccine is there or either Canada is corona free.
There's like only one suggestion, like the students who are planning to come after their graduation, we can suggest them like they can do the masters in India.
Yeah.
Right? They can do masters in India, and after that, afterwards they can apply for the job.
Of course.
Get the like 2 or 3 years experience and then apply for the PR.
Yeah, you can do that too. Or otherwise, from that idea,
Mhm.
they can actually have their master done from India. And still, if they don't want to work in India,
then
don't
they
wanna-
can- then-
they can come to Canada for post graduation even after masters. Okay, as he did, because that actually boosts up your points. Right?
Actually, yes.
And
Yeah,
that's
he's
gonna help
getting
you a lot.
15 or 20 points more than us.
Yes.
Because he has a master's, then he did his education in Canada as well. So we are
Correct.
only bachelors and then we did our post graduation, so we have 15 to 20 points less.
That's
But
right.
I'll score more points in IELTS than you.
Yeah,
One-
I know.
one more
So
point I would
बराबर ही
like to
अपन ले
add.
आवांगे.
One
Yes.
more point I would like to add.
Yeah.
I want to add one more category. Like the students who did graduation and who did the job like for 2 or 3 years, even for 1 year, they're getting like more points than who did masters.
Yeah, I know.
Like
That's
I
true.
calculated my points. I did job over there like for 1 year and 10 months. So
It's
would
gonna be counted as a 1
calculated
year.
as 1 year.
Yeah.
So I'm getting 40 points additional.
Yeah, he's getting
Oh,
40
you're
points.
getting 40 points for 1 year of
Yes,
your experience.
yes.
Yeah, my experience was only 7 months and that's fake too. I'm being honest here.
But the only thing is you have to mention your experience
Yeah.
when you're applying for
Of
study
course.
permits.
I didn't mention it. First of all, it was not 1 year. Second of all, it was
It's
fake.
not gonna be qualified.
Yeah. So I didn't want Canadian government to look into my account and be like, ये तो लड़का ठीक नहीं, ये लड़का ठीक नहीं है, इसको नहीं आने देना. So yeah, so that's a good point. If you can work over there for 1 year, if it gives you 40 points, man, if you know the point calculation over here, 40 point is a massive bump.
Massive bump, yeah.
It's a massive
Yes.
bump. And your PR would be very easy.
Very,
You have to
very,
work
very
here
easy.
2 years, 3, like
True,
one
true.
extra year,
Yeah.
one extra
One
year
yeah,
to
yeah.
just to get 15 extra points.
30, not even 15, 30.
Yeah. 30.
And then what happened as soon as
तो इससे अच्छा इंडिया जाता है, 1 साल काम करके लिखता साल इंडिया का एक्सपीरियंस है, साल यहाँ का
नहीं,
40
नहीं,
पॉइंट
you know
जुगाड़.
No, no.
वो पहले का चाहिए ना.
Yeah.
I know, I'm just saying.
Okay. One more thing.
Yeah.
It's for the people who are desperately trying coming to Canada. Please don't come right now because there are no jobs here. Because I know some people. See,
Yeah.
my
There are no
tone
jobs
is little
here, right?
different right now. It's little aggressive. Why? Because I have some friends. Their relatives they want to come to Canada and they are doing the same thing. 1 year course they have taken and they are trying here. Why? Because they're saying we'll get some work here. But it's pandemic, man. No jobs you're going to get here.
Even the people losing their jobs on a daily basis, if
Yes.
you know.
People are getting laid off.
Yeah,
And
people are getting
they
laid
come
off.
to here right now. They can't.
No, it's tough. It's tough. It took us 4 to 5 months to find decent jobs, man. We're not
But
gonna lie.
we are still have
we were
EI and
really.
all
I get
But
demotion.
still, we were really, man.
I
yeah.
get demotion.
He was a manager, then he went to be a sales rep again just because of this COVID situation. Now he's a manager again. But still,
The same
The
reason I'm also
situation is
not
tough.
changing my job because
Yeah.
I'm in a hospitality industry and it's 90% cut off us there.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Oh, hotels
Hotels are
went
that's
way
why
down.
It's done.
I'm a supervisor and I'm finding jobs I'm finding jobs online,
Yeah.
but I'm not able to find a single supervisor job.
Of course, that's
Yes,
tough.
the
But
one-
yeah, over here condition is not good right now as well. People are getting laid off.
Yeah.
It's better if you stay in your own country as of now, save some money.
And some supervisors and managers, especially in hotels, I know some, they are getting pay cuts as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, payers. Because right till now the government paying 75% subsidy, but I think from the next month government taking out that 75% subsidy also.
how much can government pay?
Yeah, that's
They're paying
it.
to the-
They are already taking
Yeah.
out the sub we are getting, right? They already taken out that thing, and now they are planning to take out the subsidy.
No, but the government, you know what? They are, instead of CERB, now there is a new program. It's called CRB.
Yeah, CRB, I know.
Yes.
Oh, that is for the students. I guess that is for the
No,
students.
no, that's for the person.
everybody
Yeah.
who's earning less than $1,000 or $1,000,
Yes.
right? A month.
And plus the people who will get laid off in future as well.
Yeah, they are planning a new program basically.
And
अरे यहाँ की गवर्नमेंट काफी कुछ करती है।
Yes.
ओ मोदी काट दूंगा वैसे मैं काट दूंगा।
Indian
पर ओ मोदी
finance minister, see.
क्या हो रहा है क्या रहा है
Dale, Sarah chhod. Indian finance minister, that Sitaram Shet, that lady. You know what she said?
सीताराम जी,
Yeah.
ये डालूंगा मैं।
ये पक्का डालो, पक्का
डालो यार।
You know what she said?
हाँ।
She said, why we don't have money? It's an act of God. Once somebody asked her why the onion prices are high in India, she was saying, I don't eat onion, so I don't know. वो माल फूक के बैठी है पक्का।
मैं बता रहा हूँ आधी इंडियन गवर्नमेंट दे आर स्मोकिंग अप राइट। अगर वो स्मोक अप कर रहे होते ना दे वुड हैव बीन मोर चिल। मैं बता रहा हूँ वो स्मोक अप नहीं कर रहे।
They're having some psychedelic
वो
drug and
चिट्टा
we
मार
know.
रहे
They might
हैं
have
वो
given
चिट्टा
some-
चुट्टा मार रहे हैं उड़ता पंजाब नहीं उड़ता भारत है।
they've spoken up, right? So they might have given up some better things to the.
अरे सारे
Citizens.
छोड़ अभी सुमित called me up yesterday. He sent me a photo. So his family knows that we get high, right? We smoke up. So Sushant Singh, he passed
Oh, yeah.
away recently. Rest in peace. So his news articles, as such Indian media is, they suck. They're just I don't know. So they are discussing his death right now. Yesterday, so it's been 2 months, right? They're still not stopping it. So they were discussing his death yesterday on TV, and now they're making this up that he used to do this drug. He used to do this drug. They're talking about LSD. They're talking about heroin. They're talking about cocaine. And you know the photo in the background they're showing? It's marijuana. Ganja मारा. फोटो गांजे की लगाई है, बातें कर रहे हैं कि चिट्टा मारा ये मारा और उसकी वजह से ये सब हुआ, डिप्रेशन में गया जो भी है। अब सुमित के पापा एक एवरेज इंडियन को क्या लग रहा है? चिट्टा चुट्टा सब छोड़, नशे की बात हो रही है, भांग की फोटो लगी है। उसके पापा कल सुमित को फोन करके कह रहे हैं, कह रहे ये फूल तो मैंने देखा हुआ है। कह रहे तू यही करता है? ओ भाई साहब उसकी अलग क्लास लगा दी। कह रहे मैं नहीं। It's all fucked up. I know. I mean, we should not laugh at the situation, but this situation is funny because Indian media, Indian government, yeah, they're not doing anything for the Indian people at this situation, bro. It's pandemic.
Godi media, they say, right? Godi media, because Indian media is in the lap of Modi.
Yeah, it's
it
Godi
is
media.
Godi media.
Godi media.
I didn't know
It is off
Yeah,
topic.
they're called Godi media.
Yeah, it is. Sorry, it is off topic though. The
Yeah,
guy died.
That's fine.
The guy died.
That's right.
But people are not leaving him.
Yeah, I mean, it's fun.
No,
it's
off
not.
topic.
The thing is, it's bigger than Sushant. Why? What I feel, it's just my opinion. Okay, I'm not saying maybe it is the case, but I feel like the government right now they couldn't handle the pandemic as well as they thought they would.
Yes.
And because I know our Indian system, I think even the reported cases or reported deaths are not accurate.
Not accurate.
Maybe the cases are way too high and the deaths are way too more and we don't know about it. और हमारे इंडिया का सीन क्या है? बुंडमार देखी जाएगी।
थाली बजाओ, go Corona, go.
So the thing, that guy is actually, initially I thought, okay, maybe he's just trying to like give people some useless task just to keep a sanity in their mind.
Yeah.
कि like, yeah, कुछ नहीं होता, देखी जाएगी, कर लेंगे. And that was actually a positive step. कुछ नहीं होता यार, ध्यान भटकाने के लिए करना पड़ता है कई बार. It's all good, it's fine. But then they collect that PMO fund. कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं उसका।
Where that money goes.
किसके हाँ क्या सीन है क्या हुआ
कहाँ
है
गया कुछ नहीं पता।
कुछ नहीं पता। देन अपना क्या नाम है लोगों की जॉब्स जा रही हैं, ठीक है, प्रधानमंत्री की कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं, गवर्नमेंट के बंदों की कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं, जॉब्स रोकने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं, स्टेप्स कर रहे हैं। The media is not even asking them the questions, bro. कि हाँ भाई हो क्या रहा है पैंच बताओ तो सही। Nobody is. Yeah.
Media is talking
And
about-
that's why I'm sorry.
Sorry.
But that's why, as we come back to Sushant's death, that is why Sushant's death is still in the media right now. What I feel is, like people who work for the government or who work for some selfish governments, they're just pushing other news
Yeah,
just so that people don't focus on what's happening in the country.
it's true.
Might be.
And
True.
we went off topic and we are really sorry about it, but we had to discuss the control of pandemic by two different set of governments, because we are Indians, we are living in Canada, and what we saw, how the Canadian government handled the situation, everybody wears a mask. Like one or two fucked up people are there, they don't want to wear masks.
Obviously.
Everybody, like everywhere there will be stupid people, so we cannot deal with that. But the way Canadian government handled the situation, they provided money who actually needed it. They gave us money too, man. We were free, right?
We're not even citizens.
Yeah, we are not even citizen, man. We got monthly payments from the government of Canada, and we think the way they handle the situation and the way,
It's fabulous.
even though you can make a point that oh, Canada is a richer country than India, right? US is a far, far, far richer country than Canada as well. Their economy is way too up, but still, they cannot handle the situation as well as Canada did. Okay, even though right now we have cases, but yeah, overall maintenance and overall approach to pandemic has been far better.
So as we're discussing, Indian media, they were diverting the minds of the audience, right? But the harsh reality is that India has lost more than 2.5 crore jobs. 2.5 crore jobs, that's mean more than half population of Canada in India, they are unemployed. And it's gonna get double by the end of this year.
End of
Things
this year.
It's
doesn't
too much, man. It's too
get
much.
better.
So yeah, condition is fucked up. We know that. और क्या ही यार न्यूज़ चैनल थोड़ा ना खोल लेंगे
क्या कर सकते हैं?
बट यार
यहाँ पे
coming back to
न्यूज
the
चैनल
point.
देखते भी नहीं है, स्टिल वी नो एवरीथिंग बिकॉज़ गवर्नमेंट बहुत अच्छे से प्लान करके
यार मैं तो यही बोलूँगा लाइक अगर ये हमने डाला पॉइंट वीडियो में, पहले तो अपने घर वालों का न्यूज़ चैनल देखना बंद करवा दो,
या सही है यार, सच
बंद करवा दो, खुद भी न्यूज़ देखनी बंद कर दो. फाइंड सम गुड सोर्सेज ऑनलाइन, ठीक है, पेजेस मिल जाएंगे, वेबसाइट्स मिल जाएंगी, यू हैव एप्लीकेशंस. फाइंड सम गुड सोर्सेज, और एक तरह की नहीं 3-4 तरह की सोर्सेज रखनी शुरू करो. ऑलवेज चेक योर फैक्ट्स. ये मेरे भाई ने मेरे को आदत डाली थी. आई वॉज वन ऑफ दोज गाइज जो बस सुना बोल दिया, ये अभी भी वही है,
Always check
ठीक
facts.
है.
Yes.
बट ऑलवेज चेक योर फैक्ट. इफ यू हिट अ न्यूज़, check it, man. So discussing about people who are living in Canada
Mhm.
who are not students. So for example, you applied for your permanent residency, right? And we did apply for our work permit, but people are here who are just about to apply for their work permit, so whose education just got done
Yeah.
in May, right? Now those people, their filings have been, I guess, delayed by
Months, I can take.
like many months, maybe years. I guess.
I will tell you one example. I applied. I got my invitation in April.
Hmm.
Right now it's end of August. It's more than 4 months. Usually what happens in express entry, especially I'm an inland applicant, it takes 4 to 6 months
4 to 6 months
to get your permanent residency. Because of pandemic now, I had to wait 3 months just to submit my documents.
Okay.
I had to get my what you say criminal record check, police verification
police
from
clearance
India.
from India.
It used to take only 1 day before pandemic. Right now, it took me more than 6 weeks to get
That's
that
way
job.
too
done.
much.
Too much.
It's too much basically.
So that's the point we are trying to make over here, that if you're doing it, if you're about to apply for your work permit or about to apply for your permanent residency, please plan ahead, because it's gonna take a way longer time as compared to before,
Yes.
or as what you are expecting right now. It's not gonna be the same time. His invitation, as he said, came about 4 to 5 months ago, and then he had to wait 3 months just to submit his documents. So it is the time frame has changed a lot. So if you are in Canada, you are about to apply, just plan ahead how many months it's gonna take, because sometimes your passport might
Yeah.
expire, right? So his
My work
work
permit.
permit. So he has applied for his permanent residency, but his work permit is about to expire in 2 or 3 months, and then he'll be without a status, right?
Yes.
Either he needs to get his work permanent residency as soon as possible, but if he doesn't get that,
Then he
he
needs to
needs
renew
to
work permit.
he needs to renew his work permit, and if he doesn't do that, he might lose his job.
Yes. My job, and I might even lose my permanent residency as well.
Yeah.
And that work permit, it's a special work permit. It's
called
called
Bridge.
Bridge Open Work Permit.
Okay.
In that, it's a work permit for 1 year. if you get your PR, then automatically that work permit gets cancelled, right? It used to take 2 months before pandemic. Now it's taking more than 6 months just to get 1 year of work permit.
Yeah, that's I want to add, right?
I have
Normally
applied.
when we apply
You
the work
applied?
permit, it's gonna be like everything is gonna be done in 3 months, right?
Yes.
But now government already officially announced that I think it's gonna take 4 to 5 months to get your work.
Yeah, it's like
And
60
PR
to 90
manager.
days for the work permit for everybody.
Before.
And right now, before pandemic. But right now it is like 180 to 240 days.
240
so
days.
that's one
You get a one work permit.
Everything has been delayed.
Delayed.
That's a 6 to 9 months now.
So yeah, I guess for today's video,
That's it.
for today's topic, this is enough.
One more point I want to add.
Okay.
New rules by IRCC, that's and with the border
पता है हमें आगे.
Okay, so new rule with IRCC. Now they have making mandatory 15 days quarantine for everyone, and they have extended that deadline. They have extended that date till September 30.
Quarantine period that you are talking about, 14 days of quarantine, that is even if you like Sumit, he moved to Yukon, right? So मैं फोटो डालूंगा वैसे तो हम बैठे हैं टोरंटो so we are sitting in Toronto and ये यहाँ है अगर ईस्ट कोस्ट पे तो यूकॉन वेस्ट कोस्ट पे ऊपर जाके so it's 6,000 kilometers so he's sitting over there right now उसकी बात करनी भी शुरू करी है हमने quarantine sorry नशे मत कराया करो but yeah so this 14-day quarantine period so when he moved over there so 6,000 kilometer I was about to drop him off to Yukon that was our plan right but I didn't go to Yukon because there was a 14-day period of quarantine for me as well then I had to live there for 14 days okay and then I could come back and I couldn't afford that मैं वहाँ 14 दिन क्या करता
And then you have to stay in a hotel and all that.
वही ना it would have been expensive for me the company wouldn't pay for me right and
Which
I don't want to
company
spend
are you talking about?
like his company why would they pay for me
If he's paying for
of
you, then
course
it's fine.
yeah
It would be
I
fine.
mean,
He got
Ah,
7,500 bucks, so he should pay for it.
yeah, he got a lot of money just for moving, man. It's a small city, okay, where he moved. मतलब इंडिया 2 बार खत्म हो जाता है ऊपर से नीचे तक जितना दूर हो एक साइड है मेरे से और मैं छोड़ गया उसको गाड़ी में इट्स वे टू फार बट द जर्नी वाज ब्यूटीफुल कल फोन कर रहा मुझे ठीक है दैट गाय ओके सो सुमित हमने हर वीडियो में बोला ही हमारा दोस्त है दैट गाय एक बंदा एक दोस्त को फोन करके कभी अपने दुख सुनाता है ब्रो आई मूव टू अ न्यू प्लेस मेरी जॉब अच्छी नहीं है या जॉब बहुत अच्छी है सुख दुख बांटता है दैट गाय कॉल्स मी ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे राइट विल अभी वहाँ दोस्त नहीं बने तो ही वीडियो कॉल्स मी द फर्स्ट थिंग इज लाइक यार छोले भटूरे खवा दो
मेरे साथ भी सेम हुआ
I know, like he remembers chole bhature. He talks about chole bhature more than his ex-girlfriend, bro.
That we don't know.
That is the
भाई
yeah.
उसने ना आज दोपहर को मेरे को कॉल की टिम हॉर्टन्स का रैप खा रहा था मैंने कहा क्या कर रहा है कहता रैप भी खाऊंगा छोले भटूरे थोड़ी ना मिल रहे हैं
Chole bhature wala. Yeah, so Yukon is very far away, and Indians over there are not as such. Yeah, Brampton is like mini Punjab. But you can get chole bhature, amritsari kulche, whatever you want.
Whatever you want.
Whatever you're craving about, yeah, you can find it in Brampton. But the place he's living at, it's a small town and it's way too far away with the minimum or maybe he's the only Indian over there.
No, there
one or
is-
two Indians are there. But yeah, there are no Indian restaurants, so he's not getting his chole bhature dose. And that guy eats like a pig, so he needs
Anybody
his
from
chole bhature.
Yukon?
The last day, I guess it was
He
his
did a
last
bet.
day with
Yeah,
us.
he did a bet.
Yeah, he had a bet with Tanubiya.
He had a bet, yeah.
So yeah, so you guys made chole bhature.
Yeah, I was making.
Yeah. So you were making it, and they had a bet who will eat the maximum number of chole bhature. That guy ate 7 fucking bhaturas, bro.
8
This huge है उत्तर मैंने याद है मैंने उधर छोले भटूरे मिले भी नहीं मैंने खवाए भी नहीं क्योंकि I was sleeping ठीक है and then we had 8 छोले भटूरेस bro
और मुझे पिक करके छोड़ने गया था तू
I mean how 8 भटूरे
कैसे खा गया?
मैं 3 दिन लगातार छोले भटूरे खा लूं मेरे से 8 नहीं खाए 3 दिन
उसकी
लगातार।
छाती लाल हो गई थी
छाती लाल आँख से पानी निकल रहा है कह रहा है यार छोले बड़े स्वाद से मर जाएगा मर जाएगा भाई यार.
True,
I
भाई.
had to make like 6 additional bhature just for him.
That guy has a family-run problem of blood pressure, man.
He doesn't
His
care.
dad, his grandfather, his tau, his cousins, they have a heartbeat problem. Their heartbeat goes boom. It goes brrrr. And he chole to bro. Yeah. So yeah, quarantine period. So that's
ज़्यादा ही हो गया, सब ज़्यादा ही हो गया.
yeah, okay. मैं ये तो डाल ही देंगे.
ये तो डालना ही है.
देख ली. But yeah, that is it for today's video, I guess. This is the discussion because the point is not that wide that we can discuss more about it. And as we said, it is officially the last video that we are shooting in
this
this place.
house.
This is not the last video for these guys, but yeah, from now on, you will see
These
two of us more often because we are living together and they are leaving. So, but they will come often on weekends. So we'll plan the videos according to that. So we'll have solo videos, we'll have group videos. Okay, so that is it from our side for this video, and I think we have discussed most
Most of the points.
yeah, most of the points that we wanted to discuss. And if we left something out, please do comment down below and let us know that what more that you wanted to know, and we can try to make a video out of it. And we have been receiving messages on Instagram, and we are trying to get back to everybody, and we are discussing whatever they want to discuss with us. And I hope people keep on sharing it so that we get more of these queries and we can try to help you out. Because see, a lot of people are out there who don't know what they want to do. They just know they want to move to Canada, and the documentation, going to an agent, it's a tough process. So just give us a shout out and we'll try to sort these
Thanks.
queries out, right? So that is it for today. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Please keep on liking, sharing, and subscribing. And we hope you like our videos, and we'll try to make more videos as much as we can, and we'll try to be more consistent. And we are really sorry that we delayed this video so long. Billy nahi pehn but next time for sure, yeah, but next time for sure we'll try to make the videos more often, and we'll try to help everybody out more often. So till then, thank you so much for watching our video.
Watching
Okay, so दोबारा यहाँ से आता हूँ. Okay, so till then, thank you so much for watching our videos. Keep supporting our content, and thank you for watching.
So General!